What is noun? Noun understand the name of the persons or things. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Proper noun, Subhash the being boy, Subhash, proper noun. Common noun, the cow gives us milk, cow. Common noun. Collective noun, army, student. Materials noun, the gold is a valuable metal, gold. Abstract noun, high, also. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. What is article? A and the, a pencil, a pen, a book, a cup, an apple, an igloo, an orange, an owl, an igloo, and ink, an ant. The sun, the moon, the cat, the cow, a and the article. Assertive sentence: I am a girl, you are a boy, I am a student, you are a doctor. Vowel and consonants: apple, a, e, vowel. Cat, a, vowel. Dog, o, vowel. Consonants: fox, f and x consonants. What is pronoun? Pronoun understand instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school, he is going to the school. What is verb? Verb understand the actions or workings. She is swimming, I am waiting for you. Adverb is modified to the actions of the verbs. He runs fast, he is walking slowly. Fast and slowly adverb. Adjective: it understands the positions of the noun. Tall boy, short girl, tall and short adjective. Preposition: in, on, at, between, behind. Conjunction: it understands adding to the sentences but or and. Interjection: it understands to the emotional words. Also, they spoken English: get up. Get up ready for very small. I shall go to the school. Why are you weeping? Where are you going to? Look at me, wash your face, brush your tooth. I want to watching the TV programs. I am studying to the different varieties books. How are you? Conversations: how are you? I am not well. Why are you not well? I am not well because I am suffering for the disease. What is the disease? I am suffering for the fever and cold and cough. So I am decided to visit the doctors